Hello, girlfriends. I hope you are doing well. Today, guess what? I hope you've been expecting it. Part two of my crazy Nine West collection. So excited. So today, the first pair of shoes I'm going to show you. It's such a cute pair of pumps. I just love it, I didn't really have any pair of blue, kind of like teal suede color pumps. I just thought it was so cute. Of course, I love this elongated design, and the heel is actually it's comfortable, It depends if you use wearing heels or not. But I just love it so much how you can pair it with anything, to make your outfit pop. I just enjoy it so much. So I actually haven't worn it outside yet. So hopefully after everything going on, we can, go on a date night and whatnot with a hubby. So I'll be able to showcase it and just style it. So I just enjoy it. And as usual, I took the actually this one is size 8. So on the ninewest, sometimes I'll take 8.5 for some shoes and it will be too loose, but this one is size 8 and it fits perfectly. It's leather made, and also it is the Tatiana collection as well. Don't you love it? I mean, girlfriend, you'll see it in the try on how I style it, but it's such an outstanding pair of shoes. So yeah, so let's go to the second pair. What have we here? Oh my goodness, I fell in love with that baby pink pair of shoes. Oh my goodness, I did not have any pair of pink shoes, and I was like, well, I used to think it was too girly, wearing pink and whatnot. But girlfriend, this is such a cute color. I mean, and it's okay to look girly sometimes. I mean, we are girls, right? So I just love it. I mean, the design and this color, it goes with so much. Oh my gosh. And you'll see it in the, in the try-on portion of this video. And when I'll be done with the whole series, I'll do, if you want me to do a try-on where you can actually see how I pair those different colors with different outfits, let me know. I don't mind. I love dressing up, so no problem. So, oh my gosh, this is part also of a Tatiana. I think it's, oh my gosh, the color is just, it's like a soft pink. It's not too bright, So I just loved it. It's just that quiet elegance about it. So you definitely look like a lady. Let's go to the third pair. Okay, now, if you're shy, you're shying away from colors, you need to step out of your comfort zone, girlfriend. I mean, I love it. You cannot go unnoticed if you wear this pair. And we all know that snake print and all kinds of animals print are just all over. But this shoe, I mean the neon, the green neon snake print is, you see it. I just love it. I just love it. I want to wear like a pair of pumps, but I want to be extra today. This is what you wear. Extra. And you can wear it anywhere, like I said, at church, at work. Well, if you're bold enough, go for it. Go for it. I mean, I love it. Oh my gosh. So good. So good. So let me see. The fourth pair that we have, of course, another pair of snake print, but this one is blue. Sorry, what blue? This one is black and white. Yeah, so I may need to get the blue eventually, I guess. Black and white. I just love it. I mean, even it goes well with my outfit. Look at that. Goes perfectly. So if you have both two together, so awesome. I love the versatility of it because you can wear all white still, wearable shoes instead of like an all black pair of pumps. You can mix those prints in one shoe. You can wear all black still, pop, these shoes on and you'll be just so stylish. Or you can wear different color and whatnot and kind of like clash with those shoes. I mean, the sky is the limit. They're so cute. They are so cute. I just love the shape and it just makes you, look so stylish and elegant. So, if you're a shoe girl, you know what I mean. And so the last pair, not the least of all, I feel like every lady needs to have a pair of I'm here, I am here, showing up. How cute are those? And those are sequins, and I actually got them near the holidays, so those are perfect for the holidays. So they are of the Emma collection, not the Tatiana for these here. And I mean, they shine. You can see it through the light. Oh my goodness, they are so good. I mean, people only see your feet after you wear that. So cool. You can even wear like a demure outfit, but still, add this to your outfit and still pop. Oh my goodness. You can wear it anywhere, to any party, to any type of event. So good. Oh, I love it. So what do you think? Do you like it? I feel like every woman should have one pair of pumps that look like, here I am. I'm stylish and I'm confident and I'm bold. So I love these. So you'll see it in the try on session. Yeah. Okay, girlfriends, so this is the second part of my crazy 9 West pumps collection. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like this video and subscribe so you get the notifications anytime that I post another video. And guess what? There is part number 3 coming up soon, and part 4 actually. So I told you it was like shoe bonanza, right? So yeah, please like, subscribe and share this video, and see you next time. God bless you. Bye.